Let's check on the grand chickens. This is what they look like when we first got them. And this is what they look like a couple days later. Now look at them.
Well, good morning, boys and girls. You guys are getting so big. You're going to your new house today. Hey, you're developing that stuff on the top of your head. Impressive. Be on good behavior. We love you. Bye-bye.
Look at that guy standing on top of the water. He just hopped right up there. Look at that. Look at them all chirping around, just having a good old time. Today's their last day here in the trailer. They're going to the farm where they can get outside. They'll be able to roam around and do more things, and grow, and eat. These guys are big enough they can almost fly.